In this guide, I'm going to show you the simplest way to enable location services here on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the Instagram app and tap the little message icon down in the bottom middle of the screen. From here, scroll across the note tab up at the very top until you see the map option and tap on it to open it up. Select the settings gear in the top right, and then from here you can choose who you want to share your location with. You could select friends if you just want your friends to see your live location. Then tap share location to confirm, and as soon as it's turned on, Instagram will start sharing your live location with the people that you selected. You can also back out and open up your phone settings, for example, and then just search up Instagram on here. From here, find location and tick it to always or while using the app, or ask next time when I share as well. Tick it to either of those and you'll be good to go. That is the full process though. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.